Welcome to Fluttercraft. Are you a Flutter enthusiast looking to enhance your app's user experience? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of Flutter development, focusing on a powerful package that can take your app to the next level, the Auto Scroll Text package. Introducing Auto Scroll Text, the go-to package for Flutter developers seeking a seamless solution for single-line text widgets without overlap or the text overflow ellipsis hassle in both vertical and horizontal directions. In today's video, we'll unveil the magic with two quick and straightforward code examples, demonstrating how effortlessly Auto Scroll Text can elevate your Flutter UI. Join us for a code-packed adventure. Simplicity meets functionality. Alright, buckle up because Auto Scroll Text isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a whole playground of customization. Dive into a sea of possibilities with a ton of parameters that let you sculpt and mold the final effect just the way you want it. And guess what? The fun doesn't stop here. Head over to the documentation on pub.dev. Yes, right there in the README and examples section, where a treasure trove of examples awaits. It's like a coding carnival, and you're invited. So if you're all about that fine-tuning and turning your text into a work of art, this is where the magic happens. Check it out, experiment, and let your creativity run wild. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. To change the direction of scroll text, you must add new parameter to widgets and also remember to change parent widget to fitted one. Now for all the code magic, you can find the Auto Scroll Text package link right down below in the description. Yep, it's that easy. Thanks for riding along. If you enjoyed the Flutter journey, show some love, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support fuels our Flutter adventures. Happy coding!